How's it going, everyone? It's Louis Crypto here, back with another Quant update. Quant is continuing to follow the path that we've been expecting, which is a range between the 55 and the 20 moving average. As we've zoomed in the past updates to the 1 hour time frame, we were saying that the 200 EMA is our support, while the resistance at the moment is 107 on the 1 hour and 4 hour time frame. What we need to do is create the reversal wave by forming this double bottom that would break out past the completion of the reversal wave, or the beginning of the reversal wave being formed, which is a push above $110. So we need to break above 110 and daily close above 111 to validate this double bottom over here that could take us to much higher price targets. The targets that I've been mentioning on the channel so far have been $115 and $120 out of this reversal wave being created, which would be a pump towards this band over here. So that is currently still our resistance. But this double bottom pattern with the neckline at $111, or ascending triangle pattern that we find ourselves in at the moment, has a target actually much higher than 115 to 120. In fact, we've got a bit of confluence with the 1618 Fibonacci target. When you break above $116, which so happens to be the 1 fib level, to get to this price, you need to create that reversal wave. And although it says 109, I've been giving you on the channel the last days $110, as it's a psychological level slightly above that area. When you do break out of the 1 fib level, create the reversal wave down here and a breakout of the 1 fib level, these become your targets. So we've got some further confluence with this ascending triangle pattern targeting that area. So I'm going to get rid of this now because we can just use the Fibonacci targets. But what I want to do before I delete these, I can get rid of this, but what I want to do before I delete this uptrending line is check it out on the 1 hour time frame. So yeah, we can see the ascending triangle a little bit clearer. So previously we were marking out that as our resistance, but we can see we already have the 107 area marked out, and this is another one over here. We're accumulating between this support and this resistance. We've got an uptrending support as well as a horizontal resistance, and we're simply waiting for a break. This should actually break to the upside, but of course if we lose this 200 EMA, as I've been suggesting every single day in my quant updates, that this is keeping us in an uptrend, it's nice to see some further confluence. In fact, that every time we've come down to this area since this point over here, remember on the channel I said from this point, as we've now reclaimed this 200 EMA and the other moving averages, after trying to retrace to this low, after putting in this false breakout, which we pushed through this purple box and came back under, lost the moving averages, coming into them into resistance, and then continuing back down to this low. We failed as we reclaimed that 200 EMA, and I said that any dumps to this area should just result in pumps. What happened? We pumped, we started to come down again. I said the same thing, any dumps to this area, we should pump, and again we're now accumulating over here with a small double bottom. If this does give in, then we should go down from this point. Why? Because this is keeping us in an uptrend, and we're seeing that with the bounces over here. It's protecting us, and on the loss of that, we lose that. And so this also, I mentioned earlier about the confluence being this uptrending sloping line over here of support. So we've got two areas over here, two lines over here, suggesting that this should hold a support. If it continues to do so, we should eventually pop out of this area and head to the 0618. Until those very moments where we do actually break above 107, as we can see previously, it is still resistance. Every time we've come into that area, we've been rejecting it. And that's why we're clearly ranging between these 2 points, simply waiting for a breakout where you just need to react to what's to come. So what I would think is that if we were to pop out to the downside, it's back down to 102 area, pop out to the upside, which is what I'm hoping for. Again, just because I'm hoping for that doesn't mean it's going to happen. That's why we prepare for both ways on the channel, and I've just prepared for the lower end. You could come back into here, go down lower. We'll get into that in the further updates. What we want to see is a break through this golden pocket to head up to these higher price targets over here, and even eventually higher up to around $125, $130. But we need the reversal wave to be created. We are yet to invalidate this path over here to the downside. Again, this can all happen if we lose this upward sloping line over here. This is still a big risk because we are beneath the resistance. This is the top, this is the support. One of them will break because we're coming into apex, which is the area where the two lines meet. So way before the 2nd of July, that's where they meet, but way before the 2nd of July will we get this breakout. It looks like if we were to break down to the downside, it's going to happen in these next days. Otherwise, we are going to just head back up to the resistance between 106 and $107. Even breaking past $107 looks bullish, but in fact, guys, you'd still be below the golden pocket. Even if you push through like this, you could still get rejected here and continue lower. There's still risks of that, so don't worry. Make sure you are subscribed, stay tuned on the channel, turn on those notification bells so you're updated when these videos do come out. I see a lot of people in the comments saying, Louis, what about this crypto? And there's already a video out that day of that crypto and they've just missed it. So turn on those notification bells. Over 50, it's like 67 70% of you are not subscribed, guys. Come on, I put so much effort into these videos. Please just subscribe. I know a lot of you are, so thank you to those supporters who also comment daily and like daily. This is the only metric that YouTube actually uses to pump these videos out to like-minded people like yourselves. And what we need to see past this point over here is a breakthrough $110. That is when we can confidently flip this area into support and head up back to our range high over here. We can see that the daily is still holding the 20 as support and this as resistance. So just reiterating our points with what we saw on the lower time frames, but also seeing the exact same thing on the higher time frames. So that's just further confluence, guys. That's what it means. So now head over to my Twitter. All the links you need are found in the description down below. Whether you want to find my Twitter, message me there about what I offer. If you just want to follow me there, turn on the notifications there. If you want to find the links to my courses, which are still discounted till the end of this month. You've only got 3 days left, I think it is. When 1st July hits, the discounts are gone. If you want to do so, you just click one of these 3 links over here. Buy me a beer, memberships, or course. Otherwise, go on my Twitter and of course follow me, but we're going to head over to the likes. And yeah, we can see this post over here. Oh, that's VeChain. Oh yeah, CZ, Hong Kong moving forward. This is something that I want to talk about. I already mentioned it in the VeChain update, but yeah, Quant has been announced that it will be part of this Hong Kong virtual asset consortium index fund, essentially, where you're going to be able to, by buying this product, access all of these cryptos by buying this one product. So it's just going to bring more eyes to Quant, more eyes to HBAR, VeChain, and Phantom, all these coins that we do cover on the channel. There's a load of other good coins over here, but we just don't cover them. Doesn't mean that they're not good. It's just there's too many coins for me to cover, guys. Oh my gosh, I hardly got time to do the ones I've got. But over here, Gilbert, it's a big day for Quant. I don't know if I mentioned this in yesterday's video, but yesterday's video, if you haven't watched it already, we're talking about the Overledger platform being released or whatever, listed or whatever. Yeah, launch, sorry, my mistake. Yeah, it's a big day for Quant Network. Very proud of all the team who have worked so hard and so long and for so long on this. If you want this link, just type in Gilbert's name on Twitter to go to the website, where he's literally just summarizing what's on the website, so you don't even need to read it if you don't want to. But yeah, just that it will be available for everyone to use. So yeah, easier integration into cryptocurrency, to blockchain technology, sorry, CBDCs. Today we launched Overledger platform. It makes the same enterprise grade technology that has underpinned our projects with institutional and central bank customers today accessible to large enterprises, SMEs, and developers for the first time. This is our way of encouraging mass adoption, so exactly what we pretty much said, and encouraging mass adoption of technology that I believe will prove transformational, not just for the financial sector, but the world's economy. So yeah, just making it more accessible for everyone. And then we've also got that Hong Kong news, even making it more, more eyes on Quant over here. We've got Overledger platform, makes the same enterprise grade technology. Yeah, it's just saying the same thing again. So yeah, there's not much more to say other than that for today's Quant update. Thank you guys for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment. I'll be back with another one tomorrow, don't you worry. Gonna now look after Ivy. Sorry I wasn't able to do so many videos today. Just looking after Ivy after her surgery. And yeah, if you want to follow me on Twitter, please do so. It's Louis_crypto. I'd always suggest to go through those links. And again, guys, you've only got a few days left if you wanted to take action on those course and mentorship offers. I'm going to play a little clip right now about my exclusive chat. And that's pretty much it for today. Cheers. If you're looking to take your crypto knowledge and profits to the next level, I have an exciting opportunity for you. Introducing my exclusive paid Discord group chat where I share insights and strategies that can help you maximize your gains. In this community, I provide you with the tools and guidance you need to succeed. So here's what you can expect when you do join. I share my personal investment levels. So this will help show how I strategically dollar cost average into various cryptocurrencies. You'll gain access to the exact strategies I use to build a diversified portfolio and this will help minimize risk while maximizing gains. I reveal all my investments, keeping you up to date on the latest coins that have caught my attention, so you'll receive exclusive insights on those projects that have promising fundamentals and growth potential. You're not going to find these cryptos on the YouTube itself. I also share my long-term targets, helping you identify trends and set realistic goals for your portfolio. You're going to gain a deeper understanding of market dynamics, which will enable you to make a more informed decision when trading. Chart patterns are crucial for successful trading, and in our group, you'll receive comprehensive analysis on those chart patterns to trade. You'll learn to recognize trends and execute profitable trades with confidence. The best part of the group is that you'll gain access to weekly group mentorship calls. Imagine having direct access to me and other experienced traders who are dedicated to your success. During these live sessions, we'll discuss market updates, answer your questions, and provide personalized guidance tailored to your needs. So if you're ready to speed up your crypto journey and join a community of like-minded individuals passionate about trading and investing, do not miss out on this opportunity, guys. Visit my website now, secure your spot in the community. All the links you need are found in the description down below. Together we'll unlock your true potential for financial freedom.